morning, viewers. Today we will see a water cycle topic. Water cycle. Subject: Science. Introduction: The water cycle shows two continuums of movement within the earth that we can tell atmosphere. It is a complex system. It includes a many different of process. Liquid of water vapors into the water vapor, condensed to the form, and it is a precipitation back to the earth in the form of the rain and snow. For example, rain and snow have giving a precipitation in the back truth of the earth. Okay. In this introduction module, the water cycle shows the continuous movement of within a earth that we can tell atmosphere. It is a complex system, so we got includes many different processes. For example, a liquid water that evaporates into a water vapor, so it contains of to form clouds that we can precipitation to the back to earth in the form of the rain and snow. Water cycle. Process of water cycle is nothing but evaporation, condensation, transpiration, precipitation, and collection. These 5 process of water cycle is important of water and cycle. Next, look deep about the process of water cycle. Is evaporation and condensation. In the water cycle, evaporation occurs when sunlight it forms a surface of the water. So the water cycle or water vapor rise higher in the atmosphere. It begins cool back down, and it is enough of the cool. The water vapor condenses and returns to the liquid water. These water droplets eventually gather to form of clouds and precipitation. Picture of condensation. Picture of evaporation. Transpiration is nothing but evaporation of water from the leaf of plants. In this way, contribute to the water cycle. So we plant tracks to groundwater. The roots are up into the leaves. The leaves of use light or sunlight energy to make a food. The leaves only light of energy to make a food for the plant and recovering water in the process. Next one, precipitation. Precipitation is nothing but it is any liquid or frozen water that we can tell forms of the atmosphere and falls back the earth. It comes to the many forms like rain or silt or snow. So we, along with evaporation and condensation, precipitation is on the 3 major of parts in the global water cycle. Collection is nothing but it is a wind water that falls from the clouds or rain and snow, hail or silt collects in the oceans, rivers, lakes, streams. So we most will the influence shock into the ground and will collect as underground water. The sunlight accords of the whole cycle by heating all the earth of the making evaporate. Important of needs of water for humans and survive on earth. We know that earth have covered by 97% of water, but we don't know that the 97 97% of water has only 20% of clean water. Why? The earth remaining 77% of water is salt water. So the water polluted, yeah, a salt water. Let us see no citizen of the water diamond thought of a graph. In the graph, see the series 1, 2000 having level of 608, 80 or 600 in the level pass of recovering of clean water. So 2025 2050 have is salt water. I am thinking a series 2 and series 3. You what the graph thinking, you comment to the my channel or video. Okay, see the next page. You have seen that way told the diamond of the water 2000 is 634 and they have a preceded the water diamond in 2025 2050. So only we should not waste the water. The common mistake people are makes you waste the water in not closing tap properly while the hand washing our hands. So first we need to avoid the such mistakes. Okay, we have many needs of water to survive on earth. Let us see the need of water for human to survive on earth. Drinking water. We know without eating but cannot be within drinking water because the water helps us digest food easily. And thirstiness. Yeah, along while our body it is may cause of issues for our body. Plants and trees. Plants and trees main components of plants to live the sunlight, water and oxygen. Water is also need for plants like humans. I want tell I am speaking in Tamil. Okay, பிளான்ட்ஸ்க்கும் ட்ரீஸ்க்கும் மட்டும்தான் தண்ணி வேணுமா இல்லை ஆக்சிஜன் வேணுமா? ஏன் ஒரு மனிதனுக்கு கூட தான் பிளான்ட்ஸ்லேருந்து சாப்பாடு கிடைக்குது, ஏன் ட்ரீஸ்லேருந்து பழங்கள் கிடைக்குது, அப்புறம் என்ன கிளாத்ஸ் கிடைக்குது, எல்லாமே கிடைக்குது. ஆனால் ஒரு மனிதனுக்கு தேவை வாட்டர். வாட்டர் இல்லாத எந்த மனிதனும் வாழ முடியாது. சாப்பாடு கிடைக்கும், ஏன் அது விளைச்சா கூட கிடைச்சிடும், ஆனால் தண்ணி கிடைக்க முடியாது. ஏன்? வித்தவுட் த ரைன். அதனால் நம்மளுக்கு வேஸ்ட்டு. அந்த ஒரு நாள் 2 நாள் தான் ரைன் வரும். அந்த வித்தவுட் த ரைன் கம்மிங்கே 1 or 2 days only. Next month not have the rain means what we do? No rain, no can water, at least not felt on the rain in earth. I am speaking in Tamil. ஏன் நம்மளுக்கு மழை 2 நாள் 1 நாள் மட்டும்தான் கிடைக்கும், ஆனால் அடுத்த மாதத்தில் பார்த்திங்கன்னா மழையே கிடைக்காது. அப்போ நம்ம என்ன பண்ண முடியும்? தண்ணி கேன் வாங்கி வச்சா கூட ஒரு 2 கேனு தான். அந்த 2 கேனில் உடனே பற்றிடுமா? பத்தாதில்ல. அதே மாதிரி தான் பிளான்ட்ஸ்க்கும் ட்ரீஸ்க்கும் ஒரே காம்பனன்ட்ஸ் தான், அதுவும் சன்லைட்டு, வாட்டரும், ஆக்சிஜன். ஆனால் லைக் ஹியூமன்ஸ் இஃப் த பிளான்ட், ஸோ வி கால் ஹாவ் நாட் வாட்டர். Dry and plants are important for humans because they produce of oxygen through a process called photosynthesis. Biotic factors such as human, birds and many more factors are also need oxygen to survive. So we can understand the water is also important for the oxygen and like thirstiness the person that will drink water. Question time. What is any liquid or portion water that forms in atmosphere and falls back to the earth? That we tell precipitation. See, the answer is precipitation. Next question. Why is the water is important to plants and how the plants are important for humans? The water is important to plant 2. Plants are important for photosynthesis. And humans. For humans and plants need oxygen. See the answer? 1 minute. The water is important to plant because it is a important component for the photosynthesis and humans need plants or oxygen. Next, why water is precarious? The precarious of because it the diamond for the water serve on the earth. See the answer? It is seriously because the demand for the serve the water high and we need to serve water. What does the graph represent in slide number 11? The answer is the represent in the water diamond of the water. See, it represents the diamond of the water. Okay. What shows the continuous movement of the water within the earth and the atmosphere? The answer is water cycle. Okay. Next, thanks for spending of my time in my section. See you next section. Thank you for watching, viewers. Please support me videos. I'm put the many videos. Like, share, comment and subscribe and click the all button or click the bell like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.